Alright, here's the morning after. Morning after hell. We're starting with a backyard here. These are the hailstones that are still here. Did not melt last night. All over. Alright, we're going to go out to the front yard now. Alright. The light of day. The moment of truth. Let's see what kind of damage we've got. You know, it's pretty severe. There's the damages from the windstorm on the 13th of this month that you couldn't see last night's video. As you can see, we still have hail piled up here. You can see numerous dents on this vehicle, the rental car. This is the rental car from Enterprise Rent-A-Car. A lot of frost on it, so you really can't see the busted glass. I have to start it up, warm it up, clear the window glass. And there's the roof laying in my front yard from my shed from the 13th of March. There's my busted windows. You see they're busted pretty good. My C10 pickup truck. 71 C10 pickup truck. Looks like it busted the glass in this too. Look at that. There wasn't a blemish on that windshield. Windshield was clean as a whistle. Everything's pretty beat up in here. It just pummeled. It pummeled me. There's a busted window in the other house. That was from the it was the little girl's room. Piece of the glass shot all the way through the hallway. And what I got here. Yeah, it took a pretty bad beating. Look how dented up it is. It just got pounded. Oh, and it broke the glass in this one too. I got a busted windshield here too. These cars are just on liability coverage. These vehicles are just liability coverage. And I just replaced that glass. want to utter a few expletives right now. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at that. It's busted all along the top.
It's time for some straight talk. It's tax refund time. Hallelujah.
Oh, I wanna cuss so bad. Everything I own got destroyed. Oh yeah, the Volkswagen's windshield is toast. It got busted. We got back glass and front glass and both vehicles gone. Oh yeah.
Are you looking just to sell your vehicle and get top dollar? Street Volkswagen has certified buyers waiting this very moment to make.
Of course, the windshields are frozen in by the hail. Figures.
It's easy. Get more delivered same day and enjoy a 2-week trial free. Learn more at Target.com/shipped. That's SHIPT. Target run and done. Offer valid for new annual members.
Busted up. Busted
When I
everywhere.
had my brother take me places, it was always like, we have to get there early so I can smoke a cigarette before we go inside. I'm in pain. I'm a little sister.
Oh, I'm so tired of this. I'm so tired of this. Every windshield got destroyed. Every one. Oh man. Yep, here we go. This is the inside of the rental car. This is what happened to the windshield. So bad it knocked that open. Damage is pretty extensive. It's cracked all the way across. Oh, I want to cuss. I can't take much more of this. The hood is just pounded. It's just battered. Can you tell what the roof looks like? Folks, I've had 8 insurance claims since the 13th of March. That's twice on this house, twice on that house, and twice on my cars. I don't know what to think. I don't know what they. That's it. That's it. We're done.